We are checking in with meteorologist Matt Milosevich this morning. And Matt, it is going to feel pretty nice, but the wind is my concern.
Yeah, it's going to be picking up for sure as we head through the day. There's going to be a wind advisory both for today and also tomorrow for the gusty breezes. And we've already picked up some of that wind out there this morning. South breeze at 14, but we've had some gusts 20, 25 miles per hour in our early morning skies. Temperatures are mild, though, at 53 degrees. With that steady breeze, it makes it feel cool enough that I think if you're like me, you're going to grab a light jacket as you head out the door. But you're going to notice we're not bundling up like the last couple of days. Coldest temperatures gets 44 in Frankfort and Elizabethtown. We're hanging on to 50 in Litchfield, 52 in Paoli. So while more 40s outside of the metro, this is a far cry again from 20s and teens of the last couple of mornings. But here's the wind advisory for today. It's across the region for gusts up to 40 miles per hour. There'll be another wind advisory for tomorrow, and that's where we could get gusts upwards of 50 miles per hour. But tomorrow the wind comes with rain, even a few storm possibilities. A couple of those could be on the stronger side in the afternoon that we'll be watching, keeping temperatures though well above normal into the 60s. But the rain on Thursday comes with a cold front, and it does its job. We turn colder into the 30s on Friday. So a big change and kind of a shock back to the system as Mother Nature lets us know it is still winter time. But we're going to talk about a continued change in our 7-day forecast, this time for the warmer. More on that is coming up in just a few minutes. Right now, 6:02. Let's send it back to the news desk in the morning headline.